All right, so we're going fishing way out there. There's no way getting this out. I don't have it. If I can. The electric would be fine. This is. I can't even move him. He's doing what he wants.
Wow. He's going to wear him out.
I don't know. Hey. That arm's done.
You want me to take it?
You don't have to. I'm videotaping.
I don't think I have enough line. Alright, so I just caught something new for me. Little baby grouper. I'll have to look up to see what kind it is, but it's beautiful, it's amazing. Never had one of these before. He's going back.
Oh man, I got seasick. Oh, not good. It's about fine the whole way out here. Your line's out.
That's with the wave. I thought it was going to be me. I thought I was going to be the first one to yak, yeah.
Easy again. I just basically puked like 5 times straight, and that was it. And then I was fine. Now we're behind a big sand dune close to the military base, and we're just chilling out in this warm water, hanging out with the jellyfish. So, but it feels like bath water. It's like, God, what would you say it is? Like 95 degrees at least?
90.
90? Yeah. I hear the Blue Angels practicing over in that direction. They're over there flying around doing their practice runs and stuff. It's kind of cloudy today. We're supposed to get some rain, but we're just chilling out. But if you look around, he'll say the sand dunes here. I'm swimming here next to the boat. Now we're gonna have a beer. Thank you, sir.
This has been a very good year for beer.
It is a good year.
You gonna come in?
He's gonna run again when he sees the boat. Come around. He's come around with him, okay? Oh yeah, he's not liking it. He's trying to go high. He's trying to go home. Tip up. We're gonna make them tired. Just keep your tip up. Good. Keep them away from that trolling motor.
I know, Dad. I want that motor.
I got it. feeling? My forearm.
Come on, Mikey, you can do it. Look, man, that does it. See that?
One extra hand?
No. It's gonna be a lot, Rod.
Doing great. Oh, we're gonna eat good and right. You done did it. You done did it. He done did it. I'm glad he's doing it. He's just trying to do it. They probably put me in the water.
I'm gonna let us drift. Okay, get away from the trolling motor. He's pulling us now, Mikey.
Pulling the entire boat.
Hey, hold on. Hey, hold on. Maybe you can, Dad, maybe
Can you move?
Thank you. He needs a belt. Get in there. There you go, that's better. You gotta tighten that on them.
I'm filming it. I already have my hands free, so I'm gonna film it. Yeah, keep my hands free so I can net that bad start. Yeah, he's gonna be an hour. Yeah. We all have. You want a beer? You want me to get you a beer while we wait?
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking. I'm gonna get a beer.
We're gonna get beer. We're gonna have the beer wine.
I'm gonna have a beer also.
I've decided to have a beer. So did Todd.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a beer.
You gonna have a beer, Todd?
Yeah, why not? We're waiting on Mikey to pull in this big fish, right?
What's taking so long?
Oh,
It broke?
I think it broke. Yeah, it broke.
Oh, what happened?
Broke. I lost the fish.
Okay.
right. Hope I got it on film.
You did?
Nope.
Is it on?
Oh, I know.
You good? You didn't extend the net. Get the gap. The gap. Come get the gap. Come, don't lift it out. Hey, look.
Don't drop it in the water.
Big old fish. Huge. I wonder how big he is. He's gotta be bigger than 40 inches.
That is a monster.
Yeah,
I think that's bigger than the one I got.
that's pretty big. Are you proud of what you did, Dad?
You could have had him.
Maybe. I'm too tired. Look at what we got, though. Look at him. Look at him. What do you think, Todd?
Big. We're smoking.
You see it smoking?
Yeah.
Oh, that's smoking all right.
Just let him fight it. Let him do his thing.
Oh, crazy.
Get some water. Let's pour some water on it. What do you think, Todd?
96 meters right now. That thing's pulling. 98.
You gaining on him?
I'm up to 99 meters.
99. You've got a way to go. That's 300. That's 300. That's a football field length.
Holy
Damn, that thing is ginormous.
See this video above you, Todd.
Yeah, I'm here with you. I'm holding it with you. He's stuck on his dude.
All right, we got it.
All right.
Come on, Mike.
Holy crap.
Somebody's doing that.
So how was that?
Oh my gosh. This is bad. This is badass. Man, that would wear me out. He was going all over the boat, wasn't he? He was going all the way around.
He was going in a circle, that dude.
I thought he was going to go back on the other side. Holy crap.
Push him, Dad.
Yeah.
That way on my fucking toes.
Yeah,
Bit
you
off.
can measure it.
Get him all the way to the wall. That's too far. Pull him back with the tail. Drop the tail and pull him back. Mouth could be, yeah, right there. Up. He's 37, 38, maybe 40. He's at least 40. Wow. 40-inch fish. Holy cow. It's taking line. Is he gone? No.
Can't pull any harder than that.
Holy cow. Nice up here.
Everything that's cut down.
Got Todd, Michael, Renee, and myself. I kept getting them eaten up though.
I caught a big fish.
Big fish.
Barracuda.
You got a big fish.
Yeah.
How big was it?
You know, I didn't even measure.
Yeah, I was about to say, I don't know if we did.
40,
I don't think we
40
even
inches. We had a little rain.
Yeah,
It
we
was
got
interesting.
pelted. We got pelted with rain.
They said it's like
Yeah.
BBs.
They're like BBs. I didn't cover my face
Yeah,
with
he
my
did
hat.
the Just when that rain that caught us really refreshes.
Yeah, I
Even though
was.
we're soaking wet from it.
I learned to not have, what was it, drag too tight or too loose. I had both problems. Because of that, I lost 2 big fish that I could have had. That was fun. It's a learning experience.
There's Mikey. Oh, on the cleat. Alright, then you just gotta hit him. Alright, now do your fancy schmancy ropey thingamajigger. Can we do it? Can we do it? It's all ready.
No. No. Oh, gee.
Oh boy.
Oh, God.
Oh boy.
Oh, boy. Oh, brother.
Alright, let's see what you learned today. Alright, let's see. We're watching. Whoa! Wow. Oh, look at that! Wow! Wow, look at that. You got like 3 in a row.